a lot of SEOs are complaining about the quality of the results, the spammy results all over, especially around Google properties, right? So it's very interesting what's going on with Google. And this year going to be like, are people impacted? Do people see the difference? Will people change search engines? Or do you know, we have been using Google for 20 years and it's very hard to change right now. I'm talking about our generations, right? I
Right.
think newer generations, I don't know. I wonder if they search at all or not. They do little search, but newer generations, as you know, is like they live on social, right?
Yeah.
And that's why some social platforms are becoming search engines, right? Is like if you study the China, right, you will see that search is not a big thing at all. Everyone lives on their social apps, right? You buy, you talk to your friends, you browse and explore, and you know you do everything. That the social app for you is everything. It has everything, and I think with newer generation, I think this is where US is heading in few years.